Good morning all of my KG students. Good morning to all of you who are joined here. Swayam Prabhu is here. Shoshmit. Yes, Shoshmit is come again. Moyuk. Shamantak is here. Otri, yes. Anurag is also. Priyam, hello. So those who joined this live class, very happy to see you, and all of you, good morning again. So today we will discuss about place value. Last day we have read shapes, but today we are discussing about place value. So last 2 days I have uploaded through ePortal 2 worksheets and 2 worksheets with this place value. So that's why this today's class I will discuss these worksheets also about this place value. First 2 activity we will discuss. First one is, so before starting this activity, first of all, those who join this class, I would request to all the students, please take out your copy as like school and your pencil box, pencils, take out your copy. Whatever we are doing in this class, all these things you should write in your copy. Okay. So Priyam, where is your copy? Show me. Yes, very good, beta. And very good. Okay, so all of you let's start today's class. So first the question is, draw the beads according to the given numbers. Okay. Now first we will do abacus drawing. Number A, this first we will make this column and these 2 rods, ones and tails. Okay. So that means we will write here ones and tails. Okay. Ones and tails. So now what is our question? Draw the beads. You will see this properly. Draw the beads. So we have to draw the beads. In this question we will draw the beads. Okay. So our question is, suppose first our question is 1 8 1 8, that means 18, that means 18. So can you say me what is the expanded form of 18? Who will give the first answer? Let's see. 18 is the expanded form. Come on, write in chat box. What is the expanded form of 18? Anurag, you cannot see the board. You will do something. Anurag, please disconnect your call and again you will join this chat. I hope your problem will be solved. Please do this. Yes, Srijan has written correct answer. Oshmita, yes, very good. Swayam Prabhu has written correct. Tathagato, very good. Shamantak, very good. So those are written the answer. Yes, today I am seeing Gronthona. Very happy to see you, Gronthona. Very nice to see you. Now O3 has written 1 tens, 8 ones. 1 tens, 8 ones. Now I will draw the beads. So first 8 ones. That means in ones column I have to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 tens mean in tens column I will draw 1 bead. That means 1 tens, 8 ones. Okay, 1 tens, 8 ones. It is our first number A answer question. Number B, again we will draw this column and written ones and tens and draw these rods. It is the abacus system. Okay, we will just do in abacus system. In abacus way we will do place value. So next question is our 34. 34. So first you will say the answer. 34 expanded form is, come on, write 34 expanded form. Yes, Oshmita, very good. Very good. Rudraditya is also given the answer. Very nice. Thank you. Shayam Prabhu, Tathagato, Priyam has given correct answer. So those are written 3 tens, 4 ones, that is correct. So we are now drawing 4 ones, that means in ones column 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. Okay, and 3 columns, tens column we will draw 3. 1, 2 and 3. That means 3 tens, 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones. Okay. 3 tens, 4 ones. It is our number B question. Next, okay, all of you written this. Shall I rub this? Shall I rub it board? If you have completed, then I will rub this, erase this board. Okay, if you have completed, then I will erase this board. Okay. Next, A and B completed. Now we will do C. First, we will draw this abacus. Ones and tens. Okay. So next our question is 48. 48. First you say the expanded form of 48. Very good, Srijan. Very good, Srijan. Oshmita has written correct answer. Very good. Tathagata, very good. Shayam Prabhu is also given the correct answer. That means 4 tens, 8 ones. 8 ones means 8 beads we will draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And 4 tens, that means 4 beads in tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 tens, 1, 4 tens, 8 ones. 4 tens, 8 ones. Okay. Next, number D. Again, first we will draw this and ones and tens we will write. This is very important. And our next question is 25. 25. First you given the answer, you will give the answer 25 expanded form. Yes, Srijan, very good. Shrestha, very nice. Oshmita, very good. So those are written 2 tens, 5 ones, that is correct. Yes, so Shanstita and Gronthona is written, the answer is very nice to see you that they are writing its own. Very good beta, Shanstita and Gronthona, very good. So now 5 ones means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads we will draw in ones column. That means 5 ones, and 2 tens means in tens column only 2 beads, 1, 2, that means 2 tens, 5 ones. In ones column we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads, and tens column we have drawn 2 beads. Okay students, that means 25. If you have completed this C and D, shall I rub this board? If you have completed, then tell me yes, then I will rub this board and go to next. Yes, Priyam and Shayam Prabhu and so many students has given the answer. Yes. So now I am rubbing this board, and the next go to next one, that means E. And again first our work is drawing this abacus and ones and tens. Now our answer question is 5, 0, that means 50. 5, 0, 50. What is the expanded form of 50? Come on, written. Gronthona, where are you? I cannot see you. Yes, Shayam Prabhu has written correct answer. Tathagato, O3, very good. Shrestha is also very good. Shamantak, Priyam, Srijan, they have given correct answers. That means 5 tens, no ones, 5 tens or 0 ones, very good. That means in ones column there is nothing. We will nothing to draw in in tens column, ones column, we will draw the beads in only tens column, because 5 tens, 0 ones or no ones, that means in 5 columns we will draw 5 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means 5 tens. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tens, 0 ones or no ones, that means Gronthona, do not touch your mouth. Okay, Gronthona, sit properly. Yes. So 5, 0 means in tens column we have drawn 5 beads. In ones column, in ones rod, there is nothing, or 0 ones, that means there is nothing. Okay, you have completed. Okay, so we will go to next activity. So it is the activity of just draw the beads, and we have drawn the beads according to the numbers. Okay, we have drawn the beads. We have drawn the beads. Now, number 2 question is, or number 2 activity is, color the beads. Color the beads. According to the given number. color the beads according to the given number. Both this type of activity I have uploaded through ePortal, and you have already done this. So, you just check it out that whatever you will do that was correct or wrong. So, now our activity is color the beads. It is very important, color the beads. Okay. First, I am drawing this abacus and the beads. See properly that now I am drawing. Oh, only first our work is ones and tens, written ones and tens. That is very important, ones and tens. So, first in ones column we will draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 beads they will draw in ones column. Only 9 beads. Okay. You hear properly, only 9 beads you will draw in ones column, and tens column also you will draw again 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. In tens column also we have drawn 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is, you will see very carefully, that is in 2 rods. No, I am not asking any question. Swayamprabhu, Srijan, I will not asking any question, because I have not given any question. I just show you that how can you make this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in ones rod, and in tens rod also I have drawn 9 beads. Now I am giving the question. First question is 24. Okay. 24. What is the expanded form? 24. That means 2 tens, 4 ones. 2 tens, 4 ones. What you will do? You will do the colored bead, you will color the beads according to this number. Our number is 24, and you will draw, or you will color these beads. Now see, 4 ones, that means only 4 beads I will color here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See the board properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 beads I have colored here. And 2 tens means tens column, only 2 beads I have colored here. Only 2 beads. See this? In ones column 4 beads I have colored here, and in 2 tens means tens column I have colored here only 2 beads. Now our answer is correct, that is 2 tens and 4 ones. Okay. Next, number B. Again first I have made this abacus and written ones and tens, and the question is 42, and again I have drawn here in ones column also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in 10 also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why I am drawing this and talking about this, that very carefully you should see this, because I have uploaded 21 number worksheet, and there was the question is color the beads according to the number. Okay, you have checked over there that in worksheets I have drawn over there 2 rods. In each rods I have drawn 9 beads. In every abacus systems, in each rods I have made 9 beads, on 9 beads, because we are not 10, number 10 beads we are not giving in single rod, we are not giving this 10, because 10 is 2-digit number. That's why I am giving here 9 beads in each rod. Only 9 beads we have colored or we have drawn over in each rods. Okay, that's why I have told this, that you should follow this very carefully. Here the question is color the beads. That's why whenever I am drawing this abacus, I have given in 2 rods, or in 2 rods I have drawn 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because 0 to 9 is the single digit number. That's why we are drawing in each single rods we are giving 9 beads, and in tens also we are giving in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are doing this answer. 4 tens, 2 ones means 2 ones, only 2 beads we will color over here, and 4 tens means we will color in tens column 4 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our answer is completed. 4 tens, 2 ones, that is in ones column we have colored 2 beads, and in tens column I have colored 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beads I have colored here. Okay. So now you can understood that those are doing, most of the students you are doing in the worksheets, you are made this abacus system, and in each rod you have drawn, someone is given 10 beads, someone has given 11 beads, someone has given 8 beads, 13 beads. No, that is wrong. When your answer is color the beads and this given abacus system, that time you are doing, you have to draw in each rod, you will draw 9 beads. 9 beads in each rod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in tens also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is the answer, and those are doing this 11 or 8 or 12, that was wrong. So it is correct, and the next one is number C. Again we will draw one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ones and tens, and suppose your question is 30, 30. 30. That means, what is the expanded form? What is the expanded form of 30? Come on, give the answer. What is the expanded form of 30? Rudradit. Yes, Swayam Prabhu has given correct answer. Very good. Shrestha, very good. Utri, Oshmita, very good. Shanstita has given correct answer. Yes, so 30 means 3 tens. 30 means 3 tens, 0 ones or no ones. So 3 tens means only we have to color 3 in tens column, 3 beads we have colored. 3 tens. That means 3 beads we should color here. And in ones column there is 0, that means that is empty. No beads we are not colored. So that means 3 tens, that means 3 beads we should color here. So it is our today's class, and I have discussed this activity, 2 activity, whatever we have, I have uploaded through ePortal in worksheet, I have discussing. So it is our today's class. Next day we will meet again in another topic. So you are next day. So thank you students and goodbye. Stay safe.